Yeah, here is a dishwasher, relatively new. I mean, 3-4 years old, Samsung. Yeah, with and I can open inside. As you see inside, everything is clean, and it stay in rental property, and doesn't function now. Well, now something happened. This movie, how to test dishwasher, where to test dishwasher. I found a good spot in my backyard gazebo, which I can connect water to and can plug this dishwasher and do a full testing and see how it's work. It is the water connection. Here is the power connection. I'm going to find electrical outlet. I found piece of wire, I probably from old one, from old something, which is fit very well all my needs for power to power this dishwasher. Okay, let's think we did a connection. Okay, and now what I need to plug I have a hose, gardening hose with this type of end. What I was found after the research, very good will be fit from a washer. Actually, I had something which I don't use. Washer hose. What I will do now, I will connect it to dishwasher and gardening hose and plug it to power supply, which I have over there. I have outlet here. Let's do it. it is taken from brand new washer, and what I found, I can connect easy washer hose to dishwasher. Has the same treat and the same size treat. What I did successfully, now I'm connecting it to a hose. This means I'm going to have a water. And we'll walk and open. We'll walk here and open the water. Well, and going back and check. It's leaking, not leaking, whatever. I have some leak. It's no big deal. Maybe I need to tie it better. Yeah, I'll try to tie it. Need something to hold to. I tie it, and now we'll go and open valve again. I mean for extension cord, which I have here, and I'm going to plug it and connect. Nice weather today. And prevent it to any contact with water, I put it on the chair. Extension cord. Button is power. Yep, we have something. Okay. What the mean? Time left. Express 60 minutes. High temperature. Okay. After normal heavy express. Okay, let's push start. Yeah, and I see some noise coming on. Look like this dishwasher is working. The problem with this dishwasher, some code was coming up which 3 months ago I couldn't solve, and on the middle of process this dishwasher stopped to work, and was some leaking, was mess, and I didn't have a room to check it seriously. Now it's the time, because it's nice weather outside and I don't afraid to have a leak or something, and let's go forward and watch for this washer how it's work. No, after like some period of testing, overall very good stand for dishwasher testing. Yeah, testing in process. Yeah, everything working, and I'm waiting for when it's finished, one cycle will finish. A small leak. I use external cable to connect it. I did connection in my shed. Oh, and it's stand and testing. It's working, good place for test this dishwasher when you don't have it a room in your basement, secure room, secure, because when it's dishwasher, when it's water, it always can be a leak and mess after. Better to use something like I'm doing. Yeah, so the most important part which need to install this Samsung dishwasher outside is hose with 2 female connector, which is perfectly good to take it from a regular washer. Not necessary Samsung, because it is a standard hose for any type of washer and dryer, which is for softener, some need water, which exist in North America, in Canada, United States. Okay, thank you very much for watching this movie.